Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn a really easy way how you can share a screen in Zoom. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on meetings and start a meeting or join a meeting or whatever. So right now we are connected and okay, and we have joined with mute and video. Now what you want to do is just click here on share screen. Okay, and now so we have option what I want to share. First, I can share just my screen, my program if I would like. So let's say I want to share, I don't know, Google Chrome, or advanced portion of the screen, content from second camera, or some file. Really, it's really up to you what you want to share. Now just click share. And as you can see, we are sharing right now and everyone else can see it. So right now I get like new share here, manage participants if I would like. And now when I want to just quit it, I would just click pause share, resume share. If I need to solve something, I would just click pause share. And then I can also annotate, I can draw. That's pretty cool. Eraser. So that's really good. And then you can just easily click here also more. You can share computer sound if you want and just stop share. So straight away, this is how you can share a stream in Zoom, how you can share a screen in Zoom. And that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching and have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.